In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Cash App account in Ghana. Now, unfortunately, there is no official way to do it in Ghana. However, there is a few workarounds that we can go ahead and attempt in order to create a Cash App account. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. This process can be a little bit complex and sometimes convoluted. And honestly, at this point, I recommend just using a Cash App alternative, especially if you're in Ghana. But if you're firm on having a Cash App account, here are all the things that you would need to do. Number one is you will need to get a VPN. So you will need to download a reliable VPN service like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or ProtonVPN. And this is basically to mask your IP address and make it appear as though you're in the United States or the United Kingdom. So you will need to connect your VPN to either a server in the United States or the United Kingdom. And some VPN services actually do require a monthly subscription. So again, just keep that in mind. And also you'll need a virtual phone number. So a virtual phone number will allow you to have your very own phone number from the United States or the United Kingdom. And for those, there's great services out there like Google Voice, TextNow, MySudo, or Burner. So again, just like VPN services, they may charge you a monthly fee. So that is a little bit unfortunate, but I'm just going to be as transparent as possible throughout this entire video. And that's part of the reason why I say it's honestly better to just use an alternative at this point, because this process is just so complex. But anyways, another thing that you would need to do is you would need to link a bank account. And thankfully, that's actually not too difficult because you could just use services like Wise, Payoneer, or Mercury, which are all typically free. So you should be good to go in terms of that. Okay, now there is one more thing we need to talk about, and that is Social Security. So most likely you guys don't have a Social Security number, but do not worry because you are still able to make a Cash App account without Social Security verification. However, there are limits to your account. So you are only limited to sending $250 per week and receiving $1,000 per month without a Social Security number. So even then, even if you're able to make a Cash App account, you're still incredibly limited. So that is certainly, a little bit unfortunate. So again, it is going to ask you for other information as well, like your name, your address, your date of birth, and stuff like that. So be prepared to show that. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.